Yo, what's up, guys? Whoa. So right now we are at Planet Hollywood, and Isaac and I are about to go check out our rival. Might be our rival in the future too, so we're kind of worried about it.
Yeah, Lance and I are bartenders here in town, and we've actually known about this little spot at Planet Hollywood for a while. It's called Typsy Bartender, and there's actually robot bartenders. Not really sure if this guy can help you out with the psychology of your wife or your marriage or whatever, or something that you're going through, but we're gonna go in and step inside and take you guys with us. Lance is gonna get a drink, and we'll come back out and talk about it.
See you soon. So I just got my drink from a Tipsy Bartender. I ordered a Jack and Coke. It broke down the first time I ordered a drink.
This thing is ridiculous.
It's cool.
I apologize to the person who owns that business, but this is a bad idea.
Yeah.
It's a good idea for someone who wants a drink like quickly, but that shit took 10 minutes for you to get your drink, dude.
Yeah, it broke down instantly, it froze. Chick had to go on a computer and try to figure it out.
I think the idea is cool. I'm not gonna be like the cab drivers that are mad at Uber drivers. You know, I'm a bartender, he's a bartender. But look, like, the thing took forever. I think the technology, if it advances for people who just want to drink really quick, is gonna be cool. But you can't talk to the thing. They legitimately have a bar that's 10 foot away with actual bartenders, and there's people hanging out there.
Yeah, like everyone just wants to take a quick little video of it making your drink because it's a novelty. One thing that I was really like wondering is, how do they get away with serving alcohol when a person just has to click I am 21?
Yeah,
Like,
you actually like only have to click like I am 21 years old on the screen. I don't know if you caught that in the video, but yeah, you like legit just push a button. You know, I think it's a good time to bring up like service industry in general. I'm extremely passionate about service industry, and especially Vegas. And you know, for me, like over the years, like it's become more and more apparent that like what brings people back is experience. And you know, seeing a couple of arms doing this, like, may be cool for one time, and I think it'll work at a place like Vegas or maybe in an airport. But like,
yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. We wanted to check it out though. It's been here for a year and we haven't checked it out, and so we're like, hey, let's check it out.
Yeah, I mean the Coke. I mean, look at the drink. This is Coke. The Coke is flat.
Yeah, you can tell.
The machine obviously has way too many flaws. There's no personality in it, and I mean, I think it could be a really cool thing if they did it a little bit better. But
private parties, maybe a novelty, like you bring, you know.
Yeah, but you're never gonna take away the experience that a guest can have with an actual person-to-person, you know, experience. Like, it's just not gonna happen. You're not gonna do that with a robot. Not in this day and age. Like, maybe in 15 years or something. Maybe even 5. Elon Musk, get on that. But yeah.
Elon Musk, you're my boy.
Lance is gonna enjoy his flat Jack and Coke. Listen, guys, we appreciate you watching the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't checked it out already, check out the Christmas video we did the other day. It's a little more funny and entertaining. Yeah. But got anything, Lance?
I actually want to go to a real bartender right now and get a proper drink.
Exactly. Let's go see one of our buddies at a real bar.
Coming to see you guys.
Let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.
Vegas vlog, baby.